everybody, welcome back for another quick video. I received a little package today from Nippon from Japan, and let's just cut it open and see what we have inside. It kind of has something to do with this. This is my blue traveler's notebook in the passport size, the new one that just came out. And look at this. It came gift wrapped from the Traveler's Factory. And you can see it says, "Have a nice trip." It has the little leather Traveler's Factory tab, the little luggage tag. So this lets you know that this is from the Narita airport. So look how cute that is. First, let's look at that. Oh, this is a cute little card from Josie. "Thanks for your support. 5-star feedback is appreciated. Etsy, greetings from Josie." That's her Instagram. "I hope you can use these to decorate your notebook." She put some cute little pieces of ephemera in there. Very sweet. Okay, so let's first take a look at the packaging, since this is the first one that I've ever gotten that has the gift wrapping from the Travelers Company. You can see they put a little piece of washi tape back there, and they used some of the twine, and this is the twine that is the bookmark on the Traveler's Notebook. Let's undo this here. So cute. I was not expecting that at all. But look at that beautiful piece of leather. And it also came with a cute little tag. That's a luggage tag, Traveler's Air. A nice little sticker I'm going to be careful with. Let me get that out of the way. Same thing with this piece of washi. I'm going to try and... Oh, that was very smart. Look, they put a piece of Scotch tape there. So I'll put that on the plastic bag. And try to be very careful with that. So you can see it's small. You can see it is passport size. And you can see it is from the Narita airport, and it's the "Have a Nice Trip" one. So let's take the plastic bag off. Let's also take this piece of plastic off. And this, like with all of them, shows you what's inside. It has the cotton bag. It has the leather cover airport edition. It has the refill airport edition, and it has extra elastic. So, and here is a little thing that tells you just a little bit about the Travelers Company, about the Travelers Factory. And this is like all of the notebooks. So always remember, I've shown this in many videos, save this elastic. You can use it as a closure elastic. You can use it as what people call a jump band to put more than one insert in your notebook. And then it also came with this reddish, orangish elastic. So if you want like a contrast color on your Traveler's Notebook. And it also came with the care instructions. This is the Japanese version, and there is the English version. Okay. So, I do have the Narita Airport edition of the standard notebook, but not the passport. So now my collection is complete. Look at that. It's a beautiful piece of black leather, and it says, "Have a nice trip, Traveler's Factory Airport." This is different than the older one. The older one had a different, like, "Have a nice trip," and it didn't say Traveler's Factory Airport. And also the old one, you can tell this is a new one because it has the same embossed Traveler's Notebook, Traveler's Factory Japan, made in Thailand. My old Narita airport, the standard in brown, says Midori, made in Thailand. So let's take a look. So it's a beautiful, yes, you can tell the leather is being produced differently. Because when I first got my black Passport and my black standard Midori, they were not this soft and suede. Like this feels really soft and suedey. Like my blue that I just got a couple of weeks ago did. And also it has that same, you can see it just looks very hydrated, very moist, very, very smooth. Now it could also be that it's a newer leather than my originals that I got, but wow. And so you can see it has this beautiful gold embossing on it. Fly to the world from Japan. And this is actually what is on my other notebook. For all the travelers who have a free spirit, Traveler's Factory Airport. And you'll see it's just a cream colored paper inside of here. Very cute notebook. So it's a very simple little video today. I just wanted to share a quick little unboxing of my brand new little Traveler's Notebook. I will link down below Josie where I got this on Etsy. She sometimes has some of these limited edition, or yeah, I guess limited edition or limited to certain location Traveler's Notebooks. So if you have any questions, leave one down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.